Hey friends, thanks for joining me again. We have to make that rafter. All right, so we're still working on this chicken coop, and we have this plan here, and we don't have a pitch. We have a length, and we have an angle. So we have a 23-degree angle on our pitch. We have a plumb cut and a seat cut. So here is how we're gonna do that. All right, so we have a board here that is longer than what I need, but what I need is 1'1", so that's 13 inches. This is 15 and a half, no big deal. And what I have is a 23-degree angle. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my speed square, and I'm gonna actually use the aluminum one. I'm gonna set it right here on this edge, this corner, and then rotate this. And I'm looking at these lines right here. I'm looking for my angles. So I'm gonna rotate that until I have a 23-degree lining up with the top edge here. So then, once I have my 23, I have to grab my pencil. Once I have my 23-degree with my pivot right here at the corner, I'm pivoting to 23 degrees. Then my line to mark is along here. Now we have our plumb cut. We have this marked right there. I'll have that. Now what I need to do is I need to measure down from that tip. From this point, I need to measure down 1 foot 1 inch, and then I'm back on my seat cut at that 13 inches. So got my tape measure here. Yes, it's backwards, but we can read backwards, can't we? Because we're smart people. 13 inches. So now this is where I start my seat cut. So what you can do is you can again make a plumb cut at 13 inches, or you can, let's see, you can transfer this line down. You can just make another 23 degrees here. Make it nice and light. Then we can use a plumb cut. We can line up our, here's the line here, there's the line there. You can see how it kind of makes a line all the way through. I don't like this one as much for doing that. I like this one better. And so what you can do is you can line up your plumb cut line up with this line. That means it's 90 degrees from your plumb cut, or your plumb cut. So we're gonna line this up, this line, this dashed line up with this, because that's the 23-degree plumb cut line. We're lining that up. Oh, I'm running out of square here. It's kind of hard to show, but I'm lining that up. I'm moving it down. Okay, and then I usually take my square like this. Like that. Now, I don't know if that's right or not. It doesn't look right to me, but, and you know what? It looks off because I think it's supposed to be like that. And that's why it's off so much. Silly Kongable. So let's do this again. All right, so we have our 23. I got that like that. And then at 13, we have that. Doing another, let's do a 23 this way. Like that. Seat cut. Laying that up there. There we go. Not cutting that, but cutting that. Cutting that. Cutting that. That looks much better for the plan. So we'll cut that and then we will take a look at it and see how it installs. So now friends, the hard part about this cut, this isn't gonna be that big of a cut or hard of a cut, but this one's kind of a difficult cut. What we'll need to do is we'll have to bevel, and then we actually might need to cut it with a circular saw that way, and then flip it around, cut it on the other side as well. That's what I typically have to do to cut these. You know, friends, I'm thinking we could cut that with a handsaw, but who got time for that? I'll set my saw at 23. Cut right on the edge. That looks pretty good. Now for that cut. Okay, we're more than halfway through it, so I'm going to square this across. Ugh, that's not special. I'm gonna square that across and try to go again. Okay, so not super pretty. I am not super happy with that, but I will take this over. I'm gonna check it for length, and then I'm gonna check it for the angle, and then I will make these much prettier and we will install them. All right, friends, it looks like we're a little bit short maybe. I mean, that's gonna flex in some like that. But to me, it looks like we're just a smidge short. So I'm gonna probably add a little bit to this, maybe a ½ an inch to this. This angle looks fine. This angle looks fine. Once I push that in, I need a spot here, and then it'll really tell me if it works good or not. But I think it's gonna work. I think our angles are okay. I just wanna lengthen this just a little bit. So make sure you work hard, friends, because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.